Welcome to an in-depth look at a phenomenon every car owner should understand: engine knock. It's that metallic pinging or rattling sound that can send shivers down a gearhead's spine, but it's more than just an annoying noise. Engine knock, or detonation, is a serious indicator of abnormal combustion within your engine's cylinders, and left unaddressed, it can lead to significant damage and costly repairs. Today, we'll demystify engine knock, exploring its causes, the detrimental effects it has on your engine, and most importantly, effective strategies to prevent it. To truly grasp engine knock, we first need to understand how an internal combustion engine is designed to operate. Ideally, fuel and air are mixed, compressed by a piston, and then ignited by a spark plug at precisely the right moment. This controlled explosion pushes the piston down, generating power. The flame front then travels smoothly and rapidly across the combustion chamber, consuming all the fuel in a single, well-timed burn. This is the foundation of efficient and powerful engine operation. Engine knock, also known as detonation or pinging, occurs when this perfectly orchestrated combustion goes awry. Instead of a single, controlled flame front, multiple flame fronts ignite spontaneously in the combustion chamber after the initial spark plug firing. These uncontrolled ignitions create shockwaves that collide, producing the distinctive metallic knocking sound. It's essentially a miniature explosion happening out of sync, placing immense and abnormal stress on internal engine components. The sound of engine knock is crucial for early detection. It's often described as a sharp, metallic tapping, pinging, or rattling noise, particularly noticeable under acceleration or when climbing a hill. It can vary in intensity, from a subtle murmur to a pronounced racket. If you hear this sound, especially consistently, it's a clear signal that your engine is experiencing abnormal combustion, and it warrants immediate attention. Ignoring it can lead to more severe consequences. One of the primary causes of engine knock is pre-ignition. This is when the air-fuel mixture ignites, the spark plug fires. Hot spots within the combustion chamber, perhaps from glowing carbon deposits, or an overheated spark plug, can act like unintended ignition sources. When pre-ignition occurs, the piston is still moving upward on its compression stroke, forcing the uncontrolled flame against the rising piston, creating immense pressure and stress. Another common culprit behind engine knock is using fuel with an octane rating lower than what your engine requires. Octane is a measure of a fuel's resistance to premature ignition. Higher octane fuels are more stable and less prone to spontaneous combustion under pressure and heat. If your engine is designed for premium fuel and you use regular, the fuel may ignite prematurely under compression, leading to detonation. Incorrect ignition timing can also be a significant contributor to engine knock. Ignition timing dictates when the spark plug fires in relation to the piston's position. If the ignition timing is too advanced, meaning the spark occurs too early in the compression stroke, it can cause the air-fuel mixture to ignite before the piston has reached its optimal position. This creates excessive pressure, mimicking the conditions for pre-ignition and leading to knock. Carbon buildup within the combustion chambers, on piston crowns, and on valve faces is a more insidious cause of engine knock. Over time, incomplete combustion can leave behind deposits. These deposits can become superheated during engine operation, creating glowing hot spots that act as unintended ignition sources, leading to pre-ignition. Furthermore, carbon buildup can increase the effective compression ratio, making the engine more susceptible to knock. An overheating engine significantly increases the likelihood of engine knock. High engine temperatures directly translate to higher temperatures within the combustion chamber. This elevated heat makes the air-fuel mixture more prone to spontaneous ignition, even with the correct octane fuel and ignition timing. Issues like a faulty thermostat, a clogged radiator, or low coolant levels can all contribute to an engine running too hot. The immediate effects of engine knock are primarily a loss of power and reduced fuel efficiency. The uncontrolled explosions disrupt the smooth power delivery, making the engine feel sluggish and less responsive. The engine's computer, sensing the knock, may also retard ignition timing to protect the engine, which further decreases performance and economy as a temporary protective measure. In the long term, persistent engine knock can lead to severe and irreparable engine damage. The violent shockwaves generated by detonation place immense stress on critical components. This can result in damaged piston rings, bent connecting rods, cracked cylinder heads, eroded spark plug electrodes, and even holes burned through pistons. Such damage often necessitates a costly engine rebuild or replacement. Preventing engine knock begins with a simple yet crucial step: always use the correct octane fuel specified by your vehicle manufacturer. This information can typically be found in your owner's manual or on the inside of your fuel filler door. Do not use lower octane fuel in an engine designed for higher octane, as this is a direct invitation for detonation. Maintaining proper engine temperature is another vital prevention strategy. Regularly check your coolant levels, ensure your cooling system is functioning correctly, and address any signs of overheating promptly. A healthy cooling system ensures the combustion chamber temperatures remain within safe operating parameters, reducing the risk of spontaneous ignition. Regular engine maintenance, including oil changes, spark plug replacements, and occasional fuel system cleaning, plays a significant role in preventing carbon buildup. Specialized fuel additives or professional carbon cleaning services can help remove existing deposits, eliminating potential hot spots that trigger pre-ignition and knock. Ensuring your ignition timing is correctly set is also critical. While modern vehicles with engine control units typically adjust timing automatically, older vehicles or those with aftermarket modifications may require manual inspection. If you suspect timing issues, have a qualified mechanic inspect and adjust it as necessary. Understanding engine knock isn't just about knowing what a bad sound means. It's about safeguarding the longevity and performance of your vehicle. By paying attention to the fuel you use, maintaining your cooling system, keeping your engine clean, and addressing any signs of trouble promptly, you can effectively prevent detonation and ensure your engine continues to run smoothly and reliably for years to come.